Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports, and right behind me we have a 1989 Ford Mustang. And it doesn't really fit in this room, does it? Because we have nothing but Chevrolet products, but you're wrong, and we're going to show you why. If you want to find out full details, click on the link below. Also, like and subscribe so we can show you what this thing can do. Let's start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this easily a 9 out of 10. The only reason I'm giving it a 90, the front fascia has a small imperfection on the bottom of the lip, and that's probably just from loading it or running into a little curb. The paint and the body lines are spectacular. All your rubbers are very nice. You have a beautiful set of aftermarket wheels with 285s in the rear. Tires have 95% tread left, and guess what? We're going to test this thing out. I haven't told you what's under the hood yet, so you have to keep on watching this video to find out. Let's talk about the interior. So you have upgraded seats, which are very comfortable. These are the factory style looking seats, but all the upholstery has been redone. They updated the door cards to match as well. You do have an upgraded stereo system, and I'm sure you guys are looking at the crazy thing in the room here, which would be the shifter in your ashtray. And I'm not gonna tell you why yet, but it is a 4L80E, that'll give you a little hint. Headliner is very nice, your light's working. You do also have your additional light here. Dash is very clean. A couple of minor imperfections because someone had a gauge mounted here prior. Your air condition does work. It still operates and it's cold. Steering wheel's in great shape. Your headlights work as they should. And the best part, has a Holley EFI system. So let it boot up. I don't know if I'm giving anything away here yet, but this is a mean girl here. What's that? We're on the passenger side of this beautiful 89 Mustang. The paint is unbelievable. Body lines are even on this side as well. You do have a shorty antenna, a Cervini's hood, and the interior is extremely clean. We're gonna show you that. And you're probably gonna notice that there's a shifter location difference on this versus a regular Foxbody Mustang. Let's rotate it and show you under the hood. You guys remember me telling you how this fits in with a room full of Chevys? Well, here's why. So this has a 6-liter with an on-3 turbo kit, 7275 force performance turbocharger. It's run on an E85 with 210 injectors. Does have a upgraded K-member and control arms, shortened rear end. The list goes on. This is a beast. So I don't know what the power level is, but I know that if you think about it, so basically a 6-liter with this intake manifold would make around 430 horsepower. And then you add a 7275 turbocharger to it, E85, a 3.5-inch downpipe, a built 4L80 transmission with a converter, along with a cam and all the supporting mods. It's gonna rip. So if you wanna find out full details on what's done to this motor, click on the link below. That's gonna have everything you need to know. And we're gonna take it out for a test drive. Let's do it. Before we take this beautiful 89 for a test drive, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe below because that gives our team a boost of confidence and we're going to create better content for you. Also, if you guys like great merchandise, we're actually creating a Foxbody tee that'll be launching next month. So if you want to see what we have in current inventory, click on the link below. Right now I'm wearing our I Brake for Corvettes t-shirt and our Turbo 6 hat. Let's go for a test drive. All right guys, we're going to take out the LS turbocharged Foxbody for a ride. We're gonna take it on Marina Mile. I brought a moist towelette in case things get a little too sticky here. Mario will be holding it. That was probably a bad joke, but drivability is easy. It does not have power steering, but it does have ice cold air. You do have an aftermarket radio here. Shifter, you can leave it in the drive position. It has a 10-inch converter. Rear end is posi traction, so you can lay it out. I love the gauge cluster because you can move through the actual screens and see what's going on with all of your, basically your temperatures, etc. It sounds amazing too. Oh yeah. Right now we're at 170 degrees, no boost. Oil pressure is at 40, like around 40 pounds right now. We're getting on to 84 right now. Actually drives very nice. Suspension feels great, so it does have adjustable coilovers in the rear. It does have a front K-member as well. And everything is done to a T. So I want you guys to look at all the gaskets, look at the engine bay, look underneath it. It is beautiful. I love everything about the Holley dash. We do have this mic'd up, so you're going to be able to hear lots of sounds. We can go into second here. Oh, that's not even build and boost yet. We're going to go over Marina Mile, we'll turn around, we'll get a little bit more spirited. But in regards to drivability, very smooth. It's really, really precise. And this motor is one of the best motors to turbocharge in regards to getting power. Downshifted. No. We got it in second here. That's only 30% throttle. We lost the camera truck, sorry. But in regards to drivability, it's nice. You have all of your, you can see everything that's going on if it's learning, the whole 9 yards. This one's already been tuned. It's running on E85 right now. And it just sounds unreal. Once again, if you guys like this car, be sure to click on the link below. That's going to have a full gallery, underside shots, and all the items that have been done to it. We're going to take a turn here, and then we're going to take a right onto our side road so we can show you guys really what this thing can do. Brakes are even. Remember, they are not power assisted, so you do have four-wheel disc brakes, but you need to give it a little bit more force. Feels good. We'll see what you'll do in second. We're at 3,500 RPMs. I still haven't given it the full beans. It's rowdy. I shifted early too. I shifted around 5,000. I love it. We're going to turn right here, we're going to bring it to our closed course and show you guys really what it can do. Oh yes. Yeah, we're going to go around it, we'll go to the back. We just took a right, we're going to go over some bumps here so you can see how the suspension reacts. Right now I haven't had a single rub, the tire size isn't too big. They did shorten the rear end so you have the perfect stance. It's also adjusted properly too. Here come the bumps. No issues at all. Sounds so good. A little bit of water. Try not to get the tires too wet. So it has a 4L80, so that's going to be a great transmission to put power down and also to cruise on the highway. I love it. We're going to take a left here and then we'll test her out.